On this episode, we're going to take this Defender 90 and give it a complete makeover with Urban Automotive. So one part of the Urban Automotive installation process on this Defender is going to be taking a lot of these components like the white arches and your spoiler, some of those aspects, and actually color matching them to some of the black trim on the vehicle. So you can actually do this in the vehicle's color, or you can do the accent color, which is the gloss black on all the Defenders. So in addition to all the customization that we're doing on this Defender, it's going to be super important to go ahead and protect it as well. This is a brand new Defender, customer selling his first tank of gas. So I want to make sure that not only does it look really nice with all the customization, all the Urban parts that we're putting on, but we're also applying our full front paint protection film onto the front of the vehicle, including all the additional new parts as well from Urban Automotive.
Hey guys, Josh here at iX. Right now in the middle of doing a paint correction on this Defender before we apply our ceramic coating. I'm just going to be going in, removing a lot of the swirling or any kind of hazing that was left during the actual cutting phase. And then now I'm just going to be doing the final polish to get that mirror finish. All right guys, we're about to start our ceramic coating process with our Fine Lab Ceramic Ultra V2. This is our 5-year ceramic coating, and what it's going to help prevent is a lot of the water spotting, acid rain, bugs being able to stick, and it's going to make maintenance a lot more easier on the client.
All right guys, so here it is. We have finished this Defender 90 Urban Widebody kit. So this one got pretty much the entire kit. We did the wide arches on it, we did the roof lights, we did the DRLs on it, some side steps. Also added some protection with the full paint protection film in the front, ceramic coating, and some window tint. So as you can see, full one-stop shop. We did everything from start to finish, got it all installed here. We also actually installed a K40 Radar System as well. So complete service from beginning to end. So if you're looking to protect or customize your vehicle, come see us at iXexotics.